So in this video, we're going to look at section 5.2. This is question number 16 in the MyOpenMath. And it tells us we have this series. So it doesn't tell us what type of series this is. It just says, if the following series converges, give its value. If the series diverges, enter D and E. So what we want to do is give the value, but before we do that, we have to decide what type of series this is. So when I look at the ratio to see, I want to see if there's a common difference or a common ratio. I can see that there is a common ratio. And how I can do that is use my calculator, and I can take 11 divided by 8 divided by the previous term. And I see it has a ratio of 0.5. And then I can take the third term and the second term. So I hit second, enter, so that I could pull this down and then just change the denominators. I see I get that again. And then I'm going to do it again with the second term and the first term. So the second term is 11 halves and the first term is 11. And I see that those four terms that are shown there do have a common ratio of 0.5. So if I was to write this in the general form, it would be this is my general form. And we've got A times the common ratio to the nth power. So the common ratio here is 0.5. And the first term, I don't even have to, this is the way to write the general form, but I don't even have to go that route yet. It's not asking for that, so I don't have to go that route. I can see that this is the first term, second term, third term, fourth term. So the first term is 11. And that's all I need, actually, to find the convergence or divergence. So the absolute value of R, if it's less than 1, then it converges. So, and I'm using what's called the geometric series test to decide that. So the geometric series test says that if you have a geometric series, it converges if and only if the absolute value of R is less than 1. And if it's not, then it's going to diverge. So now let me see what the value it converges to. And to find that value, I'm going to take the first term and divide it by 1 minus R. So the first term here is 11, and then I've got 1 minus 0.5. And so 11 divided by 0.5 is going to give me 22. And so this is, it's going to converge, the series will converge to the number 22.